Hey Chaos fam, so I'm gonna attempt to film this video for you guys today. As I promised, I did not open my tech gel from Organic Nails, and I said that I would actually do a nail for the first time on camera, so this is like no practice. I have seen a few tutorials. I did open this. Yeah, I did open it, but I promise, pinky promise, I have not used it. I've seen a few tutorials from other nail gurus, so yeah, I'm gonna go based off of that. Most of them just say, oh, a few things you're gonna ignore in this video. One, my refill. This is horrible. And the next thing you're going to ignore is this little piece that I did here, because I actually tried to extend this nail with base gel rather than with acrylic, and yeah, so it looks kind of weird, but yeah, that's what it is. Anyway, the girls, what they would do in the video is, rather than use, this is the Organic Nails Tech Gel brush, rather than use the spatula end, they just take a glob of this and actually just place it on the nail. So that's what I'm gonna do, because everyone says it's just easier that way. Oh my lord, this makes me nervous because I like to be perfect. Well, not perfect, but I like to get things on the first try. I'm afraid that I will fail miserably at this, but we'll fail together. So you just dip the brush enough to have it wet. I don't know if so wet, but then what you do is just not drag, just pat the product into place, making sure you have an apex. You know what, this isn't as bad as I thought. It's really fast to work with, it's easy to work with. The only thing is, I think I didn't get enough product out of the tube to cover the entire nail, but okay, it's kind of sticking now, so what they said was just more solution. That's actually the Organic Nails Gel Tech, is it? Something solution. I'll show it to you guys in a bit. Tech Gel Solution. Oh lord. Okay, so not so much drag, just pat it into place. And I guess as you practice more, do more sets, you'll know how much product you need. So because I didn't get enough product this time, all I have to do is cure this for about 60 seconds, if I'm not mistaken, in an LED lamp, and then place more product over it until I get the desired thickness. So I'll be right back. Alright, so I did cure that for the 60 seconds. I'm happy with the apex I have going on here. I just want the end to be thicker, so I'm going to work on that. A bit more of this, and I'll probably fast forward this because you guys already saw more or less the process. I went ahead and shaped it, I filed it. It's super easy to file. This is like a really soft material. So I think I was reading that you shouldn't do very long nails with it just because it's not as strong as acrylic. I don't know, I could probably put that to the test, but it was super easy to work with. Like, for it being the first time that I do this, the first time that I do anything with this kind of material, I think it was super easy to mold into place. I was able to give it a very nice shape. From beginning to end, the apex, I was able to put it there with no problem at all. So I think this is perfect for beginners. I probably would stick to acrylic just because I feel like I can work with it faster. Like, I can cover an entire nail with acrylic faster than I can do it with this. But for beginners, it's perfect just because it stays into place. It stays in place. It's easy to take it wherever you want to take it, as long as you use patting motions, not so much dragging motions like you do with acrylic. I'm going to do a 2-in-1 for you guys, and I'm going to do a design using pigments as I give my review on this tech gel thing that I did love. I loved it. I did. Super easy to work with. Like, if you don't like working with acrylic, you can definitely start working with this. It has little to no smell, which is great, especially maybe if you're pregnant and you don't want to deal with like the whole smell of acrylic stuff. Or you have a pregnant client and maybe you want to give her special treatment and not use such harsh chemicals with her. It's great because the odor is like super almost non-existent. I think like the most thing that has an odor is the tech gel solution, which is what you use to keep your brush wet. But I think you can also use alcohol. The thing is, it has to have moisture for you to mold it into place. That's all. Like, it doesn't have to be the tech gel solution. And it does have an odor, but it's nothing intolerable. I'm gonna do like a splotchy design, so there's like no rhyme or reason to this. But yeah, those are my thoughts on this tech gel. I'm honestly very surprised that I got it so easily on my first go. I am, because I was expecting for it to be a little bit harder, because I did see some videos of girls that have been doing nails for a long time and they were having a difficult problem. Maybe it's the organic nails that's easier to work with one. I don't know. Maybe that's the thing. I'm not sure. But yeah, I'm gonna cure this really quick and I'll be right back. I'm just gonna place the pigments randomly on the splotches that I made. You have to make sure that the base of your nail is totally matte with no sticky layer, because then this just will not look good. Like I said, no rhyme or reason to this. Just place the pigments randomly, and you can kind of like feather it out, so that way when I put the purple, which is the color I'm gonna put next to this one, they can blend into each other and you can make like a totally different color. And that looks nice too. Feathered out, feathered out. And I'm gonna leave that there. Maybe put just a little tiny bit of pink. You can feather this out. And then, let me see, let me put, I like the turquoise. I actually made this turquoise pigment because I don't have turquoise pigment. I made turquoise acrylic the other day, so I just did the same thing with the pigment. Gonna get a little bit more purple and put it here. And then this space, I reserved it because I want to put some gold chrome. And the beauty of this is you don't need a lot, so this will go a long way just with a little bit. You can even take this a little bit down into the other colors. And then you just brush it off. You can clean up wherever you feel like it's stained a little bit there. And then you clear coat, and that's it. By the way, I don't know if I told you guys, but I got this hand off of eBay. And I loved it because the red iguana ones, I was just like, I don't know if I'm willing to spend so much money on a fake hand. They do look super realistic, but these do too. The color, not my favorite, but I mean, it does the trick. And I feel like it looks cooler on videos. And the fingers are like totally bendable, movable. It'll stay exactly as you put her. So like, to give you guys the peace sign. The other day I was playing around with my husband and giving him the middle finger, which is not nice, but yeah, we were just laughing at it. I will put the info in the description box below and link from where I got it. It was about $60 for one hand, which I think is a bit cheaper than red iguana hands. And they do look super realistic, like it has the little lines, wrinkles, and everything that a hand has, like even underneath the hand you can see the palm lines. I could read its future. No, I don't do that. And let me see if I can bring this up close a little bit. But yeah, so you see the shimmer in that nude tech gel. It's super great, and you can see like all the details of the hand. Like I said, the color is not my favorite. It doesn't look that bad on camera actually, but in real life it's kind of like a grayish tone. And it looks kind of like a zombie hand. It looks like a greenish grayish tone in real life. So that's why I say I don't like it. But on camera it looks pretty nice. Like it looks super tan and I love it. I hope you guys enjoyed that design. It's super easy. I love how it looks with the shimmer. I just think the flash kind of makes it look like it's too much. But I'll take a picture with no flash so you can see how it looks in real life without the light hitting it so much. Thank you guys so much for watching me do this for the first time. It was actually kind of fun. I enjoyed it. And stay safe, take care wherever you may be. Subscribe, please. I want my channel to grow so I can keep sending you guys awesome reviews, videos, designs, and things you can do on your nail table. Bye.